Hey y'all, it's Deanna, and it's been about a month of me using my hair products, and I just took my hair out of a some flat twists. I was wearing wigs for the past 6 weeks, but I have been seeing all these TikToks saying it's not a real product that works on hair if it doesn't work on its own, blah blah blah. So the way I'm doing my hair care line, I'm having a moisturizer for all hair types, and then if you have a looser texture or there's a specific style you want that requires a gel, you would use the gel. And then if you have a tighter texture or coarser hair, you would use the moisturizer, and you would use the hair butter to seal, protect, and there's flaxseed gel in that, so it would also help define. But I am going to try to see if I can just use the moisturizer on its own and see if it defines my hair. I'm gonna do a twist out. I don't usually do wash and goes like that anyway, so we're gonna see if it works, because the products that I used to use, the first time I do my hair, I would use a moisturizer and a butter, even though my hair isn't a tighter texture. I just like the protective style, and then once I refresh, I just use a moisturizer. So I'm gonna see if I get the same results or better with my moisturizer as I did with other products that I've used in the past. So fingers crossed, y'all, this works. I'm confident in it. I made some tweaks to my initial moisturizer recipe that I did last month. I made a small batch and I went through it, and there were some things I wanted to change, so I did that. And so now I made a bigger batch. This is about a little over 8 ounces that I made. So it's a little creamier, and I am hoping that it will define and moisturize my hair. So wish me luck. I'll definitely give you all the results, of course, too. Hey y'all, it's Deanna, and I'm here with the update. I told you all that I was going to do a twist out with just my moisturizer to see if it works on its own, because the girls are saying if it doesn't, it's not a good moisturizer. So I don't know about you all, but I am confident in these results. I think I should have let it dry a little longer in the back, but the front looks perfect. I mean, other than like that one spot back there. So I will do another update. Today is Tuesday, so I'm hoping this will last me to at least Thursday, if not Friday, and I'll give you all an update to show you all like the hold. Again, like there's a hold in this moisturizer. It's simply just a moisturizer. Also, my hair is like super shiny and moisturized. Love that. And it's way more moisturized this time than and defined than it was when I did the first batch, which you all would have seen already. So I'm feeling more confident in this, and I'm really happy about this, and it's making me more excited to make the changes to the other videos, the other products that I already really like, but I see now what I need to do, for that next level. So I'm really excited for that and to show you all that. And I know these videos are probably kind of slow at first, but right now I'm still just in the testing phase. So I'm just testing out different recipes, doing research, and seeing if they work on myself. In a few months, I will be making products and giving them to some family members and friends that I trust to give me their honest opinions, and I know they'll actually use the products. So once I get to that stage, I'll have a little more to talk about, and then also buying merchandise and other things for shipping and packaging and orders. So that is all coming soon, but I was very adamant on, if I do not have products that I'm confident about, I'm not moving forward with the next steps. And so now that I'm feeling more confident about the products, I've been using them. I said in the video yesterday that I'd only been using these products for 4 weeks, but that's wrong. It's been at least 6, if not more. And this is the second batch of products, different recipe, feeling more and more confident. There's only one more thing I'm gonna change. The emulsifier that I was using has silicone in it, and it can build up on your hair. And so I'm just not going to use that specific emulsifier anymore. I'm going to use a different one. It's not that deep, but technically, obviously, want to try that out to see if it gives the same, effects as this emulsifier, because I love the moisture that this is giving. I may need to use more of the emulsifier to compensate for like the silicones or whatever in here. And silicones aren't the worst thing ever, but it can cause buildup, and I'm not a big fan personally of doing like deep shampoos, like like stripping the hair. I'm not a big fan of that. So I know that other people probably aren't either, like, because then you have to do extra to put more moisture back into it. So we're gonna try to not do that, but otherwise everything is great. And I will give you all an update on the next couple of days on how long this moisturizer lasts me. But again, I am not expecting this to like last me for days and days, because there's nothing in it that would create hold. Everything in here is creating moisture. The oils that I use, they're all oils that are considered like moisturizing, which again, we know oils aren't specifically technically moisturizing, but they're not sealant oils. So they add shine, things like that. So please stay tuned. It'll be right after this clip. And I am just, again, so excited to be on this journey. And I'm hoping that you all stick along with me and eventually are supporting me and my products. So, yeah. Hey, y'all, it's Deanna, and I'm back. And it is Friday. I told you all I would come back on Friday to give you all an update on my hair. So this is just the moisturizer. And I did my hair Monday. And now it's Friday. And I still have definition. Curls are popping still. It's still moisturized, not as shiny, obviously, but still very much shiny. So I am very pleasantly surprised, because I wasn't sure it would last this long, but it did. So now I know that the moisturizer can be used on its own as well. So I thought I was gonna have to redo my hair today, but I don't. But yeah, just get into this. It's time again to talk about the journey on starting my hair care company. So it's been about 2.5 months since the last time I made a video, and I've been tweaking my recipe a little bit here and there. Nothing to the point where I felt like I needed to record it. But since I am at the point of tweaking it and feeling more confident in the recipe, I am going to now be sharing this product with family and friends that I trust. So this is just another like major part of the process, especially when you're using or making a product that goes on people's skins and body, hair, etc. You want to see the short-term effects and the long-term effects. So it's been about 5.5, almost 6 months of me using the products, and I'm gonna give them to family and friends to try for 6 months as well, so we can see the long-term and short-term effects of it. And also too, I obviously only have my hair type. I don't have multiple hair types, so this is gonna allow me to try the products with different hair types and also in different climates, because I have people all over. So there'll be people from every climate and every hair texture being able to try the recipes, and I'm gonna have them rate the effectiveness of the styling of each product. Also, how does it help with the health of your hair, also the scent, all of those things. We need stronger hold, lighter hold, or does it need to be more moisturizing? Is it too heavy? Is it not heavy enough? So all those types of things. So I'm really excited. This video is mainly just gonna be me going through the process of making them, and hopefully I'll get some footage of giving the products to my family, and I may do a tutorial for 1 or 2 of them using my hair products, showing them how to use them, what it's for. So I'm really excited for this next step, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let's get to it. all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to sharing some next steps and trying new formulas and stuff like that on the other products as well. Bye.